Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you store files, documents, PDFs, research or media inside Google Drive, using Claude in 2026 can turn your drive into a smart AI knowledge and file automation system. Summarize documents automatically, extract information from PDFs and files, generates reports from stored data, automates file processing workflows. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Google Drive in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. First thing first, choose your integration method. So there are three main ways to use Claude with Google Drive. First one, manual file analysis, two, automation tools, and the three, direct API integration. So let's stick to the most popular one. So use automation platforms like Zapier, Make, workflow automation tools. So it automatically processes files, no advanced coding required, works for repeated workflows. Okay, so inside your automation platform, connect your Google account, so grant drive permissions, choose folder or file trigger. Examples of triggers like new file uploaded, file updated, folder changes, documents modified. Okay, so this determines when Claude activates. Okay, so now create AI file workflows. So popular automations include document summarizer, research analyzer, report generator, file organizer. Okay, so yeah, write clear Claude prompts, for example, summarize these documents in bullet points, extract action items from these reports. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.